Dive into affiliate marketing. Earn with Amazon today. Want to make money online? Affiliate marketing is a fantastic option. And who better to partner with than the e-commerce giant Amazon? With Amazon affiliates, you can earn a commission by recommending products to your audience. Imagine this. Someone buys a product through your unique affiliate link. You earn a percentage of the sale without ever touching inventory. It's like having your own online store, but without the hassle. Amazon affiliates is even more powerful when combined with dropshipping. Promote dropshipped products through your affiliate links and watch your earnings soar. Press the button on the top right of your screen or in the description to watch my tutorial on dropshipping. No need to handle shipping or inventory, just focus on driving traffic and making sales. Ready to unlock a world of passive income possibilities? Let's dive into the exciting world of Amazon affiliates. Amazon affiliates, your ticket to passive income. So what exactly is Amazon affiliates? It's a referral program that rewards you for driving traffic to Amazon. You sign up for free, get your unique affiliate links, and start sharing. It's that simple. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase on Amazon, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the product category, but it's a great way to monetize your website, blog, or social media following. Think of it as a win-win situation. You provide valuable product recommendations to your audience. They get a seamless shopping experience on Amazon. And you earn a commission for every successful referral. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or simply someone passionate about products, Amazon Affiliates offers a simple yet effective way to generate passive income. Why choose Amazon Affiliates? The perks are plenty. If you're looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, Amazon Affiliates is a fantastic place to start. Joining Amazon Affiliates comes with a plethora of advantages that can help you succeed in the competitive world of online marketing. Let's explore some of the key benefits that make it a top choice for aspiring affiliate marketers. These benefits are designed to give you a head start and ensure you have all the tools you need to thrive. 1. Trust and credibility. Amazon is a household name synonymous with online shopping. This means that when you promote Amazon products, your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations. Leveraging their brand recognition instantly boosts your credibility and builds trust with your audience. This trust can translate into higher conversion rates and more sales. 2. Massive product selection. From electronics to fashion, books to home decor, Amazon offers a vast and diverse product catalog. This extensive range means you can find products that perfectly match your niche and audience interests. This means you'll never run out of options to promote to your specific niche. Whether your audience is interested in tech gadgets or home improvement, there's something for everyone. 3. Easy tracking and reporting. Amazon provides a user-friendly dashboard where you can track your clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time. This feature is crucial for understanding your performance and making data-driven decisions. This transparency helps you measure your success and optimize your strategies. By analyzing the data, you can identify what works best and refine your approach for better results. 4. Reliable payments. Amazon is known for its prompt and reliable payment system. You can rest assured that your hard-earned commissions will be paid out on time. You can choose your preferred payment method and receive your earnings on time, every time. This reliability allows you to plan your finances with confidence. 5. Support and resources. Amazon offers comprehensive support and resources to its affiliates. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your strategies, there's plenty of help available. From detailed guides to helpful FAQs, you'll find answers to your questions and guidance along the way. This support can be invaluable in helping you navigate the affiliate marketing landscape. With these compelling advantages, it's no wonder that Amazon Affiliates is a popular choice for both seasoned marketers and beginners alike. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, Amazon Affiliates provides a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. Joining the club, your step-by-step guide to Amazon Affiliates. Ready to embark on your Amazon affiliate journey? This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started. Follow these simple steps to get started. It's easier than you might think, and soon you'll be on your way to earning commissions. First, sign into your Amazon account. This is the foundation of your affiliate journey. If you don't already have one, head over to Amazon.com and create a free account. It's quick and straightforward. This will be your gateway to the affiliate program. Your Amazon account will be linked to your affiliate activities. Next, sign up for Amazon Affiliates. This is where the real fun begins. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Amazon Associates program page. This is the hub for all your affiliate needs. Click on the Join Now for Free button and follow the on-screen instructions. It's a simple process that guides you through each step. Then, provide your account information. This includes your name, address, and other essential details. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and your website or social media platforms. This helps Amazon understand where you'll be promoting their products. Be honest and accurate in your responses. This ensures your account is set up correctly and avoids any issues later on. After that, choose your payment method. This is crucial as it determines how you'll receive your earnings. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. You can choose direct deposit, gift cards, or checks. This is where you'll receive your hard-earned commissions. Make sure to double-check your payment details. Finally, get your unique affiliate links. These links are what you'll use to promote products and earn commissions. Once your application is approved, you can start generating affiliate links for any product on Amazon. The possibilities are endless. Simply copy and paste the link into your content. Whether it's a blog post, social media update, or email, these links will track your referrals. You're now an official Amazon affiliate. Congratulations on taking the first step towards earning commissions. It's time to start promoting products and earning those commissions. Share your links, create engaging content, and watch your earnings grow. Picking your winning products. It's all about supply and demand. Choosing the right products to promote is crucial for your success as an Amazon affiliate. It's a delicate dance between supply and demand. You want to find products that are in high demand but not oversaturated with competition. Start by considering your niche and target audience. What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Research popular products in your niche using tools like Amazon bestsellers and Google Trends. Look for products with high demand, products that people are actively searching for and purchasing. Also, look for low competition, products with fewer affiliates promoting them, giving you an edge. And of course, high commission rates, products that offer a higher percentage of commission per sale. By carefully selecting products that align with your niche and have a good balance of supply and demand, you'll increase your chances of making those affiliate sales. Spread the word advertising your affiliate links. Now that you have your affiliate links, it's time to get them in front of your audience. The more visibility your links get, the higher the chances of earning commissions. Here are some effective ways to advertise your Amazon affiliate products. These methods can help you reach a wider audience and increase your potential earnings. For online advertising, consider social media marketing. Social media platforms are powerful tools for reaching a large audience quickly. Share your affiliate links on your social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Each platform has its unique audience and engagement style. Create engaging posts, stories, and even live videos showcasing the products you recommend. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to grab attention. Content marketing is another powerful tool. It allows you to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting your affiliate products. Write blog posts, create videos, or record podcasts that provide valuable information related to the products you promote. This can help build trust with your audience. Naturally incorporate your affiliate links within the content. Make sure they fit seamlessly and provide additional value to your audience. Email marketing can also be very effective. It allows you to reach your audience directly and keep them informed about new products and promotions. Build an email list and send out newsletters or promotional emails featuring your affiliate links. Regular communication can keep your audience engaged and interested. Personalize your emails and offer exclusive deals to entice clicks and conversions. Tailored content can make your audience feel valued and more likely to take action. For offline advertising, include your affiliate links on your business cards and distribute them at networking events or local businesses. This can help you reach a different segment of your audience. Create eye-catching flyers or brochures showcasing the products you promote and include your affiliate links. Visual appeal can attract more attention. Distribute them in strategic locations. Think about where your target audience is likely to be and place your materials there. Remember to be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Transparency builds trust and credibility with your audience. Disclose that you may earn a commission from qualifying purchases made through your links. This is not only ethical, but also a requirement by many affiliate programs. Ready, set, earn. Start your Amazon affiliate journey now. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to starting your own Amazon affiliate business. You've learned what it takes to succeed in this lucrative world of affiliate marketing. Remember these key takeaways? Choose your niche wisely. Focus on products you're passionate about and that align with your audience's interests. Create high-quality content. Provide valuable information, reviews and comparisons to help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Promote strategically. Utilize a mix of online and offline advertising methods to reach a wider audience. Don't wait another minute. Sign up for Amazon Affiliates today and start earning passive income by recommending products you love. The world of affiliate marketing awaits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more posts like this one. If you would like to get into the world of dropshipping, click to the left side of the screen for a tutorial.